1.4. So guys, we tested already measuring the circuited current. Just we checked it how to AC to DC convert voltage. So we set up the high ampere diode parallel connections, and now I set up the AutoCut circuit. How to set up the AutoCut circuit? So let's go. We uh, set up it. So at first we need two capacitor. Here are written the PCB board. Please check the PCB board. The PCB board is uh, uh, 100 microfarad 25 volt and 470 microfarad 25 volt. So I have no this capacitor, but we manually checked it. At first we measuring the voltage. Now I clamp meter and selected the voltage mode. After we connected the port and here measuring the DC voltage. Please show the meter. It is 12 and 13 volt. One year productions Omar that this looks dangerous. Guys, it's never dangerous, just low voltage side. So uh, any site is touching but never problems. So high side is tapping. So please here this is high side to 20 volt AC, but tap system active. It is just now making, and I will be all safety the circuited. So at first we set up all process. So here diode, 4 diode are parallel connections. Oh. This is much